Anyway, so I was actually past my 15-minute time limit in my last video. But to conclude, yeah, so I left off with what one of my former instructors, Dr. Gregory Whitmore from Cal State LA, told me about being a servant leader. But um, anyway, so yeah, not all students will like the class on one particular day. Emotions are extreme. It isn't personal. Go along with the vibe of the class and bounce off of that class for flow. So these are just some things that I could take note of as music teachers. I'm sorry, as adolescents and excuse me, in their emotional development. And this is something that the reading that I've done in the text that was assigned to me has helped me look at things as a music educator in a different light, and has really so far all the readings I've done have really helped me uh, stay in a positive direction when working with students. So these are things that are applicable to not just music teachers, but every teacher in general. So that is my project, and those were all my slides. My name is Art Rubio, and thank you for watching. Bye.